Well, hello, boys and girls, ladies and gents, and members of the Big Red Food Army. It's your General Big Red, and I salute you. We got Little Red here. He ain't hungry still, but we're going to do a little fast food fat man action here. And who we giving love to today? Zaxby's. I've never been to a Zaxby's before, but I saw they had some cool stuff on their website. I know of 2 locations here, so I'm going to try at least one of them. Let's see what we got here. They kind of compete with Raising Cane's. Yeah, give me a minute. Let me see what I want. Thank you.
Okay.
Alrighty then. The high is giraffe nuts. Alright, I think I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead.
I would like to do your 4 fingers chicken plate.
Okay, what kind of drink?
Well, do you have a lemonade?
Yeah.
I'll do a lemonade.
Lemonade?
Yes, ma'am. And I would also like to try your fried. What comes with the plate? Just.
Fries, salsa.
I'm sorry. What was that? You're breaking up. What was that?
Coleslaw, fries, sauce, and chicken.
Okay. Let me try a side of your fried mushrooms.
Spicy mushroom?
What does it come with? I mean, what do you recommend?
Can I get with a spicy mushroom?
Yeah, let me do that then, and let me get.
Mushroom with a vegetable.
Yeah, let me get the mustard with that. Now, what kind of sauce comes with the? Let me do the honey mustard for my fingers, my chicken fingers.
You want honey mustard?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And then, can I get another small lemonade?
Another lemonade?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay. 1430.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good Lord, they high. What's that? That's $7.60 for the fingers. The fried mushrooms are $4 almost, and the drinks $2. Good Lord, that's high as giraffe pussy.
I think there's a little bit of a language barrier.
Yeah, there's a little language barrier going on here. Here, hold that. And don't give me cockeyed there.
Hi, 1436.
$14.36. Let's see if I got 36 cents. I should. There's 50. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 and 50 cents. Put the rest of this back in the old cow skin there. All right. We could go ahead and put them up in their little house up here, where they like to hang out. Y'all know y'all like to hang out with the sunglasses. Thank you.
That's actually a fairly big, small lemonade.
Yeah, it's a 22 ouncer. Ooh, it seems like they got that. Okay, thank you. All right, so let's. Yeah, can you do me a little solid there? Okay, we're just gonna pull up here and we're gonna watch the traffic on the freeway pass us by while we get our grub on.
You're gonna have to angle the camera because it's pointed at the top of your head.
and you don't want to get in on none of this action.
No.
Okay, we got a fork. We got some napkins, and they brand their napkins. Look, they got Zaxby's all over them napkins.
Really?
Yep. Just like McDonald's and everybody else does. So they got the black styrofoam. And then obviously they can't listen because I said I wanted the spicy mustard here because that's what she said. But no, this is zestable dip. It comes with these fried mushrooms here.
Spicy mustard, just it called this one.
I don't know. I think there might have been a little language barrier going on there.
Well, we already know that happened.
This looks like this looks like and tastes like the wing sauce at Burger King. You like to try to get one of these?
Actually, wait, what are those?
Fried mushrooms.
Oh, me one. I like mushrooms.
Wait, huh?
So?
Looks like they need a change of grease. They look like they fried a little long. Why are you sitting like that? Sitting in proper, boy.
Not comfortable like that.
I mean, they sliced mushrooms, but they definitely look overdone.
Oh my tongue.
I told you they were hot.
Eh.
And then you can see they look at the mushroom shape there. Looks like a dong.
Or does it look like you Whopper?
Nope. But this sauce tastes like Burger King wing sauce.
A lot of wing sauces taste alike.
I said ring sauce, not wing sauce.
Oh.
You want some more of these little mushrooms?
Yeah.
What did you think of the mushrooms?
They're okay.
Yeah, I've had better fried mushrooms. But then again, this is a fast food joint. Oh, the breading coming off of this one. And they give you a fair amount. But they charge you sit-down restaurant quality prices
Fast food quality.
for fast food quality. Get this little lemonade aid. It's not too hot today. For being almost the second week of July, it's only 82 degrees outside. It's because they had a front come through. And my back was telling me all about it. You sure you don't want another one of these?
Okay.
Speak now, forever hold your peace, because there's only like 2 pieces left.
Sure.
Okay, so
That stuff smells weird.
What the hell we got up in this bag still? Looks like just ketchup, huh? And they brand their own ketchup, Zaxby's ketchup.
Yeah.
So got 1, 4. Got 3 on the ketchup angle there. Can we put this down by your tootsies? Alright, let's pop the top and see what we got. You can get a piece of toast, some crinkle cut fries, and some chicken nuggets, or as they like to call them, that's their strips. Let's hit this coleslaw. And like I said, they're trying to compete with Raising Cane's.
Did you say spicy or honey mustard?
It's got honey mustard for this.
Oh, okay.
It's supposed to be spicy mustard for the French fries are actually pretty good. You want to try one of that French fries?
Yeah.
Nice and seasoned.
Yeah.
As he says, 90 each one.
Oh.
The fries ain't pretty bad. One bite of coleslaw? I'll say their coleslaw is about as equal as Popeye's coleslaw. They don't give you very much, but about 5 spoonfuls. And they even brand that little plastic thing. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but you can see a little Zaxby chicken on it. Let's see if you can ditch this down there in the bucket. Get another one of these fries. Nice, thick, well seasoned, almost like a salty-ish Cajun season almost. Not terrible. The honey mustard's not terrible. Now these chicken fingers, on the other hand, they're a little suspect. They're not super crispy.
Because you're kind of drenching them in sauce.
No, I'm feeling right here. I mean, that's all white meat. Big old thick piece of chicken breast that they use. Why do they call them chicken fingers? I never understood that.
Chicken don't have fingers.
Nope, chicken don't have fingers. You are right, sir. Call them chicken strips. Call them chicken breast.
You decided to call them beef steak.
But I mean, these are small. I mean, give you a little product to hand comparison here. I mean, I got some pretty big dick beaters, but these are actually, for the price, these are kind of small. But I mean, it is. All white meat chicken.
Yeah, a ton of ice in this.
I think it's like them ice pellets. You know, like Sonic gives you? Is it the pellet ice?
Nope.
Nope.
It's that stuff.
Yeah, that's the pellets. They're just bigger.
Pellet ice.
So these guys are competing with Raising Cane's. Son, enough with the knocking of the ice. I mean,
I'm trying to get the freaking shot of the bottom so I can get the actual rest of the lemonade.
you want me to show you how to do that? First, you don't keep pulling it up and down because that ain't going to work. Yeah, I mean, that ain't even, I mean, come on. That's just an oversized nugget. You sure you don't want to hit up on one of these, see what they taste like? Wish the batter was a little more crispy. One thing they do have better than Cane's, it's called options for dipping sauce. Cane's, you got one choice. Cane sauce, and that's it. Come on, get in on this action. Come on.
No.
Get your nibble.
I want nibble.
You want a nibble? Let's give them a nibble. That's what it looks like when you sleep too late from going to bed too late, playing too much video games, and getting all puffy, pissy, moody when you got to go out and do things in the world.
I don't like ones. The shop. And no, here's the thing. Don't like going out when don't like where we're going. Second off, it wasn't from playing too much video games. It was just because I did go to bed late. And over the past couple days, I've been waking up late, so my body's naturally just saying, "Oh, you get to sleep a lot," so it does.
When I was a kid, your age, the rightful age of 14, almost 15, and it was summertime, I was doing things outside all day long until it was dark. Granted, I know we don't live in the greatest neighborhood to go out and play, but we can go somewhere. Get out the house and do something. There's a lot of free stuff to do here in Texas, in Houston.
Like,
go to the park.
and do what?
Go to the park. You do park stuff.
What exactly is park stuff?
You look at birds. You climb a tree. You make fun of people that pass by. If there's a lake, you look at the lake. Try to catch some frogs and some
So pretty much,
Turtles?
you look at stuff and make fun of some people possibly and climb a tree.
And you could get on the swing set. Go to the beach. Beach is free.
Beach is also insanely overcrowded. And Galveston's really nothing nice.
No, Galveston's nasty water, but still, you can go to the beach, play in the sand.
I hate sand. I'd rather go to the park.
Go sit at the mall and make fun of people.
Then again, if we did go to the beach, I could try to punch a shark in the face.
Could try to punch a shark in the face. It's on his bucket list.
It's the number one thing on my bucket list. And it makes absolutely no sense, but it will happen.
I think you get that from the Batman movie.
No, it's not.
Where he was climbing up the ladder to get to the Batcopter, and the shark's biting at him, and he punches the shark in the face, and then Robin leans down and gives him his bat shark repellent. Because that's the only thing that'll work.
No, I just want to punch.
Because I remember you used to make me watch that movie over and over. Till you burnt me out on it.
I just want to punch one shark in the face.
Does it matter what kind of shark it is?
I want it to be either a tiger, a bull, or a great white. Nothing like a mako or one of those small little lemon sharks. It could be like one of the reef sharks, like a normal reef shark. I'm okay with that, but I just don't want it to be none of the sharks. And I don't want to punch a hammerhead because hammerheads are okay.
That toast, it's just an afterthought. It's a little burnt on one side, perfect on the other side. Slightly buttery taste. One bite of toast.
No, I don't want a bite of toast. Try it here.
Why did they give you toast? I don't know. It's like an afterthought. But I ain't gonna let it go to waste.
A tiny little red dot on my leg. I don't know what it is.
Maybe some kind of bite. You're just gonna get ink on your pants like that. Okay. Alright, throw that in the bucket. Or the bag, whatever you want to call it. We'll wipe my little digits and we'll rate this here. And go about our way. Alright, toss that. I don't think we don't need that Zaxby ketchup here. Toss these. All of that, the whole thing. All right,
Ketchup,
so
sir. Ketchup.
I'm gonna have to say they're on par with Raising Cane's, with more options for sauce. They're not as crispy as Cane's. So, let me think back on this. The fried mushrooms, they were decent. They weren't nothing to write the Pope about. And I'll have to say, they charge you price-wise. We said it earlier in the video. They charge you sit-down restaurant quality prices for fast food quality food. That's a dick move. The fries are good. I'll give them that. Their fries are good. They taste like, if I had to compare them, they could be Ore-Ida fries right out the bag, cooked in your oven with a little Cajun seasoning on top of them. That's what it tastes like. The toast was an afterthought, burnt on one side, coleslaw. They didn't give you much, but it's on par with Popeyes. The chicken strips could have been a little bit more crispy. Could have been a little bit bigger too. I mean, it was plump pieces, but they weren't long pieces. Cane's gives you long pieces and plump pieces. But Cane's to me is a little, it's almost like they overcook it a little bit because sometimes it's dry. Sometimes it's Cane's is hit and miss. You get dry and then sometimes just right. These were plump and juicy pieces of chicken, so I do like that. I like the fact that you could get multiple different kinds of sauces for your chicken strips. I chose honey mustard, went well with it. I'm gonna say for 4 strips, some handful of fries and a piece of limp toast and a little coleslaw. I think that was a little high. But it also came with a drink. Drinks were like $2, a little over $2 for each drink. I don't know. Let me see what it says here. Let's see how she rang this here up. The 4 chicken plate was $7.49. The mushrooms were $3.79. The drink was $1.99, $2. In this day and age, when McDonald's can give you any size fountain drink for $1, I think every fast food restaurant should jump on board. Just my humble opinion. So this whole meal costed $14.36. I'm thinking this whole meal shouldn't have cost no more than, let's see, I think the mushroom should have been about $2.50. The drink should have been $1. So that's like what, $3 off. Yeah, this whole meal should have been about $10. But you know, I don't make the prices. I just go along for the ride. Slightly overpriced, but for the flavor, for what I got, I'm gonna have to give you 4 flip-flops. 4 out of 5 ain't bad. It's just slightly overpriced. With that being said, over here, not the broody little young man, but the subscription button. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Next to that, notification ding-a-ling-a-ling bell notifies you when I have new content. Over here, thumbs up, thumbs down, bow, 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 bow. Hit me with one, it doesn't matter which. Just let us know you watch it. We like these better. And then down below, you have a description box with a description of this video, as well as links to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And then there's a link to this channel's homepage where you can find all my older content separated by category, or series as I like to call it. And you can't find it all on the front page because for some reason YouTube doesn't allow me to put it all on the front page, and I don't have a 1-800 number. Hey YouTube, how do I do this? Nope, I ain't got that kind of pull, yo. So what you have to do, if you don't see the series you want on the homepage, click the playlist and you'll definitely find them all in there. Also, there's a link to my friend's t-shirt shop where you can find Big Red t-shirts from things that either you saw me wear or things that come out of this mind. And if you don't want to click the link, go up top, www.tmp.com, and scroll down the navigation bar. You'll find the Big Red Show. Check out my shirts. While you're there, check out my friend's shirts. He does pop culture, sci-fi, anime, comic book related, geeky kind of things. You know, you might check it out. You might like it. Also, if you don't want to, did I say that? I don't know. Anyway, I'm forgetting what the hell I'm doing. Anyway, type me a comment down below. I'll type you one back. Show me yours and I'll show you mine. From my day 1 sub to my newest sub, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I even appreciate you son of a bitches that just like lurking and don't want to subscribe. Because you watching the video just as well as the other ones, but I wish you would subscribe. But I appreciate each and every one of y'all from the bottom of my belly to the top of this almost bald head. You know, I just need you to do me an itsy bitsy little favor. I need you to tell your ma, tell your pa, tell your greasy grandma, share this video with your family and friends, because caring is sharing and sharing is caring. And there's just too much Big Red in this video to be contained to just you. So share it. Spread me out like a creamy peanut butter. And I don't care how you share it. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tweeter, Twatter, mammogram, sonogram, strippergram, snail mail, email. Put it in a paper airplane, fly it across your room, kids. Hit your teacher in the eye. Just make sure you don't put out both eyes so she can still watch the videos. You know, I don't care how you share it. Just share my videos, please. And while you're at it, watch the ads. Because the ads is how we get paid. I haven't gotten paid yet. Been doing this for a little over 7 months now. And as soon as I get paid, I'll make a video. Let you know how I got paid, what I got paid. And I can guarantee you I'm never going to get paid as much as all this food costs me. So if you want to help fund this channel, if you like what you see, go back up to the description box. Open it up. There's a PayPal account link where you could sponsor a meal. You could just donate to the channel. You could help donate to get better recording equipment, sound equipment, editing equipment. My computer's on its last leg dying, so we're going to need something like that pretty soon. So if you want to help out, that's what that link's there for. Just know that you don't have to, but if you want to, that's why it's there. Thanks for watching. I've been Big Red for another Fast Food Fat Man. That's Little Red, who just barely ate a mushroom. What did you think of the mushroom? Come on, tell the peeps.
I told him already. It's okay. It wasn't great.
Yeah, you heard him. It wasn't great. That's the same thing I said. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time in the drive-thru. Big Red out for another Fast Food Fat Man. I got shits to do.